Hello, dear students. I'm Anju Bansal and I welcome you all to my online English class. Today, I will read and explain the lesson Krishna and Sudama from your English reader book. Children, you must have heard many stories of Lord Krishna from your parents and grandparents. This is also an interesting story which tells us about the true friendship between Krishna and Sudama. Let us read further to know how Krishna helped his friend Sudama. Krishna and Sudama were best of friends during their days at the Gurukul. When they grew up, Krishna became the king of Dwarka, while Sudama remained poor. So children, कृष्णा एंड सुदामा की फ्रेंडशिप कब हुई थी? When they were studying at Gurukul. Gurukul, it is the place where you go to study, just like your school. So they were best friends at that time. But what happened when they grew up? When they left Gurukul? Krishna, he became the king of Dwarka. He became rich and powerful. But Sudama remained poor. वो तो बहुत poor रह गया. He married a noble but poor lady and they had many children. But often there was no food at home and the family had to starve. Sudama, he got married to a poor lady. She was very kind-hearted and gentle lady and they had many children also. But many times there was no food in their house because he was very poor, no? So they did not have food also to eat sometimes and their family had to starve. Starve means to be hungry, to not have food to eat at all. Sudama's wife often reminded him of Krishna. Krishna is now a great king and has plenty of money. He will surely be happy to help you. Why don't you go to him? सुदामा की वाइफ हमेशा सुदामा से कहती थी कि तुम्हारा तो एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड है कृष्णा एंड ही इज सच अ ग्रेट किंग, ही इज वेरी रिच, सो यू शुड गो एंड आस्क हिम टू हेल्प यू. तुम्हें उससे हेल्प लेनी चाहिए, वो जरूर तुम्हारी हेल्प करेगा. सो व्हाई डोंट यू गो टू हिम? इन द बिगिनिंग सुदामा वॉज अनविलिंग. अनविलिंग मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट रेडी. स्टार्टिंग में सुदामा रेडी नहीं हुआ था. But hard times continued and he had to agree. They were facing a lot of difficulties. बहुत problems आ रही थी उनको. And so, one day Sudama finally agreed to go to his friend's house. Before leaving, Sudama said to his wife, I'm going to meet a friend. How can I go empty-handed? I should take some offering for him. She gave him a little puffed rice in a small bundle. That was all they could afford. When Sudama was going to leave, he told his wife that I'm going to meet my friend after so many years. तो मैं कैसे खाली हाथ जाऊंगा? I should take some gift for him. I should take some offering for him. Even when you go to visit anyone after a long time, so you always take something for them, right? So same way, even Sudama wanted to take some gift for Krishna, but because they were very poor, they did not have anything in their house to give to a king. इतनी कोई expensive gift तो लेकर जा नहीं सकता था वो. So his wife, she brought some puffed rice for him. What is puffed rice, children? Puffed rice is the rice from which you make snacks, no, for you, like bhel you make. That is called puffed rice. So there was very little puffed rice in their house. So his wife brought that for him in a small packet. She made a small bundle out of a cloth and she put that puffed rice and she gave it to him for Krishna. After walking for many days, Sudama reached Dwarka. He looked shabby in his dirty and tattered clothes. He was tired and his feet were sore. As he stood outside Krishna's grand palace, he wondered whether Krishna would even recognize him. Sudama had to walk for many days to reach Krishna's palace because he did not have any vehicle in those times. You had to travel by foot only. पैदल ही जाना पड़ता था क्योंकि कोई गाड़ियां नहीं होती थी उस टाइम. सो सुदामा को बहुत सारे दिन लग गए चलते चलते एंड फाइनली ही रीच्ड द्वारका. वहां तक जब वो पहुंचा, what was his condition at that time? He looked shabby, very untidy. उसके सारे कपड़े डर्टी हो चुके थे. All his clothes were dirty and they were tattered. Tattered means they were torn from different places. Very old type of clothes he was wearing, no? So वो सब जगह जगह से फट गए थे. He was tired also. बहुत tired हो गया था because he was walking for so many days ना. And his feet had become sore. They were paining. उसके पैरों में बहुत दर्द हो गया था. When he was waiting outside Krishna's big palace, it was very grand. बहुत ही अच्छा पैलेस था कृष्णा का. And when he was waiting outside, he was wondering, he was thinking कि will Krishna even recognize me? अगर उसने मुझे पहचाना ही नहीं तो, if he does not recognize me, then at one point of time, he even decided to turn back. But the thought of his starving children gave him courage and he sent a message to Krishna. Krishna immediately came out, hugged Sudama lovingly and took him inside the palace. Krishna's wife Rukmini also welcomed him warmly. Once when Sudama reached the gate of the palace, उसे एक बार लगा that I should return back. I should not meet Krishna. Why? Because maybe if he doesn't recognize me, वो मुझे पहचाने ही नहीं. So what will happen? So he thought मुझे यहाँ से चले जाना चाहिए. I am looking so untidy, so shabby. But then what he thought of? He thought of his children who were starving without food for so many days. They were hungry. And because of that, he got the courage and he told the guards to give a message to Krishna. When Krishna got the message from his guards, he came out immediately. वो जल्दी जल्दी दौड़े दौड़े बाहर आए because he wanted to meet his friend. And as soon as he saw Sudama, he hugged him lovingly. बहुत प्यार से उन्हें गले लगा लिया. And he took him inside the palace. वहां पे even Krishna's wife Rukmini welcomed him very warmly. Together, they washed his feet, made him sit on a throne, and served him a sumptuous meal. Both of them, Krishna and his wife Rukmini, both of them, how did they welcome him? What do? They washed his feet. सबसे पहले उन्होंने सुदामा के feet wash किए because they had become very dirty and they were sore, na? That is why they washed his feet with nice clean water. Then they made him sit on a big throne, on Krishna's throne. And they also served him sumptuous meal. What is a sumptuous meal? A very rich and very splendid meal. बहुत अच्छा खाना होता है ना? बहुत rich, बहुत special dishes जहाँ होती है, that is called a sumptuous meal. Sudama felt ashamed of the puffed rice he had brought for Krishna. But Krishna saw the bundle, snatched it from Sudama and ate the rice with great relish. Sudama had also brought a little gift for Krishna, no? Do you remember what he had brought? He had brought puffed rice and in a very small bundle. But Sudama was ashamed to give. उसे शर्म आ रही थी कि how should I give such a small gift to such a big king? Krishna was very rich, so how can I give him such a small little gift? So he was not giving it to him. But Krishna ने देख लिया था and he snatched it from him. उसने जबरदस्ती ले ली उससे कि what have you brought? Show me. And he took it from him. And he ate it with great relish. बहुत enjoy करके. To enjoy something that you eat, that is called to relish. So he ate it with great relish. बहुत खुशी से and बहुत happily he ate it. Sudama stayed with Krishna for a long time. But not even once did he ask for any help. Finally, he took leave of Krishna and left Dwarka. So Sudama stayed at Krishna's palace for many days. बहुत दिन तक वो वहीं पर रहे. But he was hesitant. Sudama ने कृष्णा से कुछ भी नहीं कहा about his problems and he did not ask for any help. उन्होंने एक बार भी कृष्णा को नहीं कहा कि मेरी हेल्प करो. And finally one day he took Krishna's leave. He said goodbye to Krishna and he left Dwarka. When he reached his village, he was surprised to see a beautiful house at the site of his hut. And his wife came out to receive him wearing beautiful clothes and jewelry. Finally, when Sudama reached his home, he was very surprised because his hut was not there. And what was there instead of that? There was a big and beautiful house. And who came outside? His wife came out of it. She was wearing beautiful clothes and a lot of jewelry. How did this happen, children? How did Sudama's family become so rich? Yes, it was Krishna who understood Sudama's problem and helped him without telling him. So, children, this story teaches us the very important value of true friendship. Just like Krishna, we must also help our friends when they are in need. I hope you all have understood this lesson now. So please read the story once again and write the difficult words in your copy. That's all for now. Thank you and goodbye.